welcome back to our channel and another video. So in today's video we'll be replacing this existing doorbell. This is a builder grade doorbell with this Ring Doorbell Pro. So this is the newer version of the Ring Doorbell. I'll just show you what all this box has. So this is the doorbell which comes with the box. This is the transformer which will be installing it in our existing doorbell chime. These are the wedge mounting kits. These are optional, but we will be needing it because it's on an angle. So they provide you with these two wedge kits. These are some screws with anchors. These are safety screws. Again, a set of screws with anchors. This is the power extender cable just in case the wire is short, so we can extend the existing wiring. And this is a safety screwdriver. And lastly, we also are provided with a user guide which we can refer. It's really easy. I'll show it to you how we install it. This is our existing doorbell and it's lit up. So basically there is live current in here. We'll go inside, turn off the breaker and remove the open the cover of the existing doorbell chime and add the power transformer which provides power to the Ring doorbell. So we'll go inside now. This is the breaker panel of the house. If you open it, these are all the breakers and it will be mentioned where the doorbell is. We just checked the breaker and this is the breaker which we need to turn off. It says basement, lights and cellar. So if we just turn it down, so it's off position, and we'll go check outside. As we can see, there is no light, and just to confirm, even if you press the doorbell, there is no doorbell being rung inside. So we are safe now, and we'll go inside again and open the existing doorbell. This is the existing doorbell. You just pull it, the cover will come out. This is how the doorbell looks. To confirm, we can use the non-contact voltage tester, and like it's all green, so there is no current here. This is the power kit and these are the two toggles. Just need to unscrew this and put in these two plugs. It doesn't matter which one goes to the front and which one goes to the transformer. Just plug this in. One on the other side. So both these wires are attached, the transformer is attached. You just keep this wherever we find some space. It's a small transformer. You just have to make sure that it's inside the box. We can put on the existing doorbell cover. This part is done. We need to unscrew the existing doorbell button and then put on the Ring Doorbell Pro outside. After removing the screws, we can just pull the doorbell out, and these are the two wires connected to the doorbell. Need to unscrew them. After removing the doorbell, we will be needing the wedge kits because this is how the doorbell will be installed. There is not a lot of space. We'll need this. Both the pieces of wedge kits. If you have a little tilt, then you can use one. But if you need more, then you can push in the wires from here and then install the doorbell. Something like this. There are holes here which are already provided, but we need to screw in with the provided screws. We need to make a hole into this siding. This is not concrete, so we will not be needing the anchors. We can directly screw in this with the provided screws. So if you just push it in a little and then using a screwdriver, we can make a new hole into this siding. Let me first try using a screwdriver, and if it makes a hole on its own into the siding, then well and good. If not, then I can use a drill and then make some pilot holes. So I wasn't able to make the holes using the screwdriver, This is a 1/16 inch drill bit. I'll just be making one pilot hole here. So, and a very small pilot hole. Now the screw should easily go into this hole. Now you can see the screw is easily going inside because I just made a pilot hole. Same I'll do it for the bottom side. Make a pilot hole first. It comes with a silver faceplate, but you can order different faceplates, different color faceplates to match with your exterior or your door color. So just to remove the faceplate, you simply need to pull it. This is the silver faceplate which they provide. And there are two terminal screws at the back which we just need to hook the wires on. Remove these two tapes, the stickers which are provided, and then unscrew the terminal so that the wires are looped onto it. Once we have the screws, and now it doesn't matter which wire goes onto which terminal, you can easily hook the two wires onto these two screws. Both these screws have been tightened, and we'll just push the extra wire. Make sure that the endings are within the screws and both the negative, the white and the blacks, are not touching each other. And whatever extra is in there, we'll just push it inside. And but obvious that the camera has to be on top of here. These are the two 1-inch provided screws. Doorbell is fixed. We'll just remove this protective film here and put on the faceplate.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
There are two safety screws provided. One is extra, we just need one, and with the provided screwdriver, this is a safety screwdriver which to just install at the bottom here and tighten, and everything is done. I'll go inside and switch on the breaker, and there will be power here. After installing the Ring doorbell, we can download the Ring app on our Android and iOS phones and set it up. There are different options, motion detections and chimes and different motion alerts which we can set up in the app. So just want to check one. So this is a white light which is on the Ring doorbell. If you press this, so this is the chime which we have selected for now, and the doorbell also rings inside and on all the devices on which the Ring app is downloaded, and on the Alexas if you have any in your house. The Ring doorbell looks really low, but the camera angle is really wide, so even if I'm like 6 feet and I'm standing right in front of the doorbell, someone can still see me through the phone and the app. So this was a very easy DIY just to install the Ring doorbell, so you don't need to pay anyone. The instruction booklet has all the steps, and you can refer to this video and install the Ring doorbell on your own. So if you like such more DIYs and how-to videos, please like to our channel and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.